What is lazy doing? Take a bath, put away toys, or ride the slide. Yes, lazy is taking a bath.
Take a bath.
What is this in the sky? Stars, moon, or sun? Yes, it's the moon. What is the season? Summer, winter, or autumn?
Yes, it's winter.
What is Bunny doing? Sit, jump, or run? Yes, Bunny is jumping.
Jumping.
Who is Lazy's friend? Owl, giraffe, or chicken? Yes, Lazy's friend is owl. What is the weather? Sunny, rainy, or snowy?
Yes, it's rainy.
What vehicle is this? Plane, train, or car?
Yes, it's a train. Who is this animal? Pig, sheep, or horse? Yes, it's a sheep.
How does Bunny feel? Happy, sad, or angry? Yes, Bunny feels sad. What is Bunny doing? Cooking, brushing teeth, or dancing?
Brushing teeth. What place is this? Desert, ocean, or mountain? Yes, it's mountains.
What is Bunny's time? Time to play? Time to sleep? Or time to eat?
Yes, it's time to sleep. Who is this animal? Cow, rabbit, or tiger? Yes, it's a cow.
What is Bunny doing? Sing, read, or cook? Yes, Bunny is reading! What is Lazy doing? Eat breakfast, wake up, or drink? Lazy ate breakfast. How does Lazy feel? Surprised, bored, or sleepy? Yes, Lazy is surprised.
What season is this? Spring, autumn, or summer? It's spring. If you enjoy learning English with us, subscribe to our channel. Or, ask your parents to do it for you. We post a new video just like this one every single week. See ya!